Yo, what's up, bros and broettes? Today is an awesome day. I'd say so. But today, I just wanted to let you guys know that I did go ahead and take the dash off. I did off camera for Regina. I took her dash out so I can give you a better, clearer shot of the cracks in the dash and the piece that I want to remake out of some sheet metal. But here's the crack. As you can see, this thing was actually extremely easy to take out. It was literally like 3 bolts here, and you had a bolt down here, a bolt down here. This, you have to take out the glove box and the little frame piece that holds, you know, the glove box bolts too. Then you take out the climate controls, and then there's a bolt down here, bolt down here, and then there's a bolt here and a bolt right there. And then you had to take these out. These were snapped into the right here. Those go in right there, and then they snapped onto the ducting. So those had to be unsnapped, and then these right here for the defroster vents, they just came right out. But with that said, it was really easy to take out. As you can see, it's not in bad condition, but I do want to wrap it with a nice leather looking material. I was thinking about doing a suede, but I think I'm leaning more towards a nice leather material, and maybe get some stitching in some areas to make it just look, you know, really pop. And with that said, I have to go back to work. So, also, the carpet is cleaned. It's drying. It's been drying, but it does need to obviously get re-dyed. You can see the discoloration almost looks like bleach or something maybe got on it. Just, you know, dirty. Was dirty. This, you know, kind of still smells of oil and kind of still has a little bit of that residue, but I need to get, I'll clean it again just to make sure that everything is clean and ready for the heck is it called? For the dye, the carpet dye. So I mean, the carpet itself isn't in bad condition, it just needs to be, you know, re-dyed and cleaned up more. So, but this is actually dry now, so it just I'll go ahead and clean it again, and then clean it again, and then let it dry, and then dye it. But with that said, that is going to be it for now until the weekend. So, until the weekend. Yo. Hey guys, it is another day. As you saw, I showed you guys, I took the dash out, showed you them cracks. So I actually already went ahead and started the process of filling the cracks. I'm actually done filling the cracks, and I still have a little bit more sanding to do, as you can see right here. What I actually used though, I dremeled out the cracks with my Dremel obviously, and then I filled them back in higher than the level with hot glue. Went through about 2 sticks of hot glue, did that on both of these. Turned out really good. And then what I did was I heated up a razor blade and just went along until, you know, got that razor blade real hot with the flame, and then just kind of scraped off the level, so it was nice, and wasn't perfect, but it was still, you know, got me to a point where I can just throw a little thin layer of quick steel over top of it, because I didn't feel like going to the store and buying Bondo, so I just used quick steel. And then, because that's actually what I had laying around, so that's what I used. But these are already sanded. This is nice and smooth already, and same goes for this one, except for right here I need to sand a little bit more, and so I can get this ready to be wrapped in the fabric that I bought. And yes, I bought the fabric already. It was on sale at Joann's. It is actually some pretty nice vinyl leather. It was the more expensive one of the two, but it's on sale, which made it cheaper of the other one that I was looking at. So that was a plus, which was awesome. So I got the fabric. I got more than what I needed because I want to, if I have anything left over, I want to wrap some of the other stuff that I want to wrap, which is actually the center console piece. I want to wrap that in leather as well. I want to get the doors and the back trim pieces as well on the where the passengers in the back would sit. Maybe I might do those, but I'm not sure yet. But for sure, I definitely want to do the doors, the dash, and the center console. So those are main things I want to get wrapped or wrap in the stuff. So I bought some spray adhesive. I have this all-purpose one, general adhesive, but I don't think this one's going to be strong enough. So I bought some Loctite, like professional grade, high strength hold or bond one. With that said, until tomorrow, because I'm actually off tomorrow. So until tomorrow. Alright guys, broettes, finally got the dash finished as far as the prep work. I cleaned it off, fixed the cracks. This is the leather vinyl that I went and got. It's black, it was on sale at Joann's. As you see, there is a color difference. This is darker. But what I'm going to go ahead and do is go ahead and start wrapping that. I'm going to use the Loctite professional grade spray adhesive. So I'm going to go ahead and get that sprayed on there, and then spray part of this, let it set for, it says like 3 to 5 minutes until it's tacky, until your skin kind of sticks to it but doesn't pull any of it up. Alright, so let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and get these sprayed, and then I'll come back. Well, I clearly really suck at wrapping shit, because half the stuff I wrapped in that vinyl wrap didn't turn out very good, the carbon fiber one. And this dash is, you know, real pain in my ass. And I've already messed up the vinyl. I mean, this vinyl is, well, this part that's sitting right here is fine. But this vinyl right here, nope. It turned out shitty. I haven't even, I just quit halfway through, and it's just like, this is not working for this shape of the dash. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all this off. I'm going to remove the spray glue with some glue remover or whatever. And then what I'll do is I'll just flock this thing with black flock. So that's what I'm going to do with that. The dash is on hold until I buy the flock stuff and clean all the glue off of this thing. It's really disappointing, but this is not wanting to bend and contour to the lines and curves of the dash, so it's trial and error. Trial and error. It really sucks because that was some good vinyl, and I'm pretty upset that I used that much and wasn't able to get the result that I wanted. So I might try and make it work just for the hell of it, just to keep whatever. I don't know. I really don't know. At this point, I'm just like, screw it. I'll figure it out. Alright, bros. So as you can see, I got all the glue and stuff. You know, there's still a little bit here and there. Taking back off the dash. And, but now what I need to do is go ahead and I bought some contact cement, and I'm going to try that method first, this next, try to work with that leather onto here. But as you can see, this is the carpet though. It is already looking so much better. On video it doesn't look, kind of looks a little crappy over there, but the video is definitely not doing it any justice. It still needs more over here, a little bit more right here, and a little bit more over here. But I mean, it's coming out a lot better. It's definitely a lot darker. It's starting to slowly turn into one uniform color. And with that said, that is where I'm at so far. I have the mount kit already to put the engine into the car, but Today is Saturday. I worked today. I literally got off not too long ago. So I'm going to try and get some of this stuff done and knocked out. So I'm going to spray some more of the stain on here. The carpet dye. And then I'm going to go ahead and start trying to get this dash covered. It was a pain in the butt with the spray glue, but I'm using a contact cement. There's a DAP Wellwood brand or whatever. So with that said, let's get to, I'm doing this off camera because I don't feel like doing it on camera. So with that said, when I come back from finishing the dash, I guess. Alright. Alright guys, so I'm back out here on the porch. As you guys know, I was trying to wrap the dash, and I was redyeing the carpet. Carpet actually turned out really well. It's not perfect, but hey, it's a lot better than what it was. And as far as the dash goes, you can already see, like right there, that's a bubble forming. It was on there, but then the glue just gave. It's not wanting to stick in some spots, so I'm just like, I'm gonna rip it all off and just use this fabric for, I don't know, something. But with that said, I'm gonna rip all this fabric off. I put staples in the really tight areas because this fabric did not want to go pull tight around those areas. So I put staples in to hold it, like right in there. Same thing with like over there and right here. And all across right here had staples to hold it down while the glue dried. And I left it on for like a whole day. And I went to take the staples out. It stayed, and this is what I come back to. So I'm saying screw the fabric, screw the leather. I'm just gonna flock it. I'm gonna flock the dash. So I'm gonna take all this out. I gotta patch all those holes that I made with the staples, fix any imperfections. I'm gonna get some body filler today from Walmart because it's like way cheaper than buying it from my job. But with that said, I am going to do that and patch all the holes and then order the flocking kit. I'm gonna just flock it black. So that said, that is actually where I'm going to end this video. I tried wrapping it, and so the next video will just be of me flocking the dash. So that said, until next time, peace out. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, guys, because it definitely goes a long ways and definitely helps out the channel. And yeah, so until next time, peace out and never look back.